Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today is all about the electric dryer. If the dryer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy solutions you can try to get the appliance back up and running. If the dryer is noisy, heavily soiled clothing from the washer might not have washed properly and thus carried it into the dryer. You can use a vacuum or wipe down the drum with a non-abrasive household cleanser to get rid of the dirt that has come from the clothing. Then rinse. Shake or brush excess dirt and sand from clothing before washing to keep this a minimal problem. If your dryer is making a clanging noise, check and see if clothing with metal buckles and buttons are in the dryer. Clothes with metal can make unnecessary noise and damage to the drum. To remedy this, turn items inside out. You can also put them inside a pillowcase and tie the end. If you notice your dryer has a constant rocking motion, check that the dryer feet are equally level on the floor. You can easily check this by trying to rock it back and forth. Adjust the feet as needed. If the feet can't adjust, find something sturdy and solid. A book, box, block of wood, or folded junk mail should do the trick. If you're still encountering issues with your dryer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that repair call can save you time and money. I hope this video helped. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.